Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your TikTok account permanently. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the TikTok app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where it says profile. You click on profile and then you want to head to the top right corner where you see the three straight lines button. You click on it, then you want to click on settings and privacy. When you're on settings and privacy, you want to click on the first option, which is account. And then you will see that the last option in this menu is deactivate or delete your account. You want to click on this, and here you will find two options. Option number one will be to deactivate your account, which means no one can see your account anymore, including all content that you currently published or posted. Okay, everything will be hidden: your account, your handle, your profile, your content. To reactivate your account, you simply have to log in, and this could happen at any time. There is no particular time frame. The big difference over here is that if you actually attempt to delete your account, then you will have 30 days to actually go back and save the account from deletion. Your account and content will be deleted permanently. You may cancel the deletion request by reactivating your account within 30 days. So, to recap and sum up, very important. If you just want to pause your account, your content on the social media, but you're not sure are you coming back or when you're coming back, you can simply deactivate your account. There is no time frame until you have to come back and log in or reactivate the account. You can stay as long as TikTok doesn't change the rules and the regulations, of course. But if you actually click delete, then you have only 30 days, and I would not advise you to wait till 30 days. No one knows when and how they actually count the days. Business days or any days, not specified. So you want to make sure that you have all your data, files, and information collected, stored, and downloaded. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.